All right, bro, if you're serious about building a solid chest from zero, there are a few moves you can't skip. Today, I'm breaking down the essential exercises, how to do them, what they hit, and how to set your reps and sets so you get the most out of your time in the gym. Let's lock in. Number 1, the flat barbell bench press. This is not your main chest builder. It activates your mid-chest the most, but your front delts, upper chest, and short head of the triceps are all in the game too. Keep a solid arch in your back. That helps protect your shoulders. Now, if your goal is muscle growth only, go with moderate weight, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. If you're chasing strength, go heavy, 4 sets of 3 to 4 reps. Be smart with the weight selection. If you struggle to do even a few push-ups, start with about half your body weight on the bar. Once a month, test your PR with your gym bro on the spot. When PR goes up, your rep weight goes up too. Number 2, pec deck fly. This one hits your chest from all angles, upper, middle, and lower. Just keep your arms wide, lean your back firmly against the pad, and move in a controlled motion. Beginners should stick to the normal seated position. No need to shift hips forward or back for shifting the focus to upper or lower chest. Go for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps with moderate weight. Don't overload it or your shoulders and biceps will take the hit. Then your reps go down. Number 3 is the Smith machine incline press. Set the bench to around 30 to 45 degrees. That's the sweet spot for upper chest activation. No need for a back arch here. Free weights are great, but for beginners, it's easier to stay locked on the target muscle with the Smith machine. 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps with moderate light weight does the job. Number 4, dips. A classic calisthenics move that lights up the lower chest and triceps. It looks triceps focused, but trust me, bro, it smashes your chest too. If body weight feels too easy, add a plate for weighted dips. If it's too hard, use the machine-assisted version. Aim for 2 sets of 6 to 10 reps and try to stabilize your body angled as a slash, then you go up and down. And for the last, decline chest press machine. This one locks in on the lower chest the most. Doing it on a decline bench can be tough for beginners to control the weights and keep form. The machine variation is much safer and just as effective. Stick to light weight, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now remember, bro, sets and reps are just guidelines. The real focus is hitting failure at the end of your last set without breaking form. If you're dying out too early, drop the weight. If you're cruising through without struggle, add weight. The goal is maximum muscle activation, clean form, and pushing to fatigue. As you level up, you'll get better at dialing this in and making every rep count. Stick with these push day essentials, and your chest gains will follow. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly glow-up and fitness videos, and let's keep building this brotherhood together.